Pare, outfit check pare, outfit check. Okay na ba to? Oh, nakita mo yan? Ano yan? Grit! Oh, nakita mo yan? Bangis, diba? Oh, nakita mo? Ano to? Imprint custom yan, pre. Nakita mo to sombrero ko? Imprint custom yan, pre. Nakita mo to sapatos ko, pre? Nakita mo yan? Wait lang. Nakita mo yan, pre? Ogi yan, pre. Pero hindi ito sponsored. Welcome! This is Product Mo is Showcase Mo. Alright, so what's up mga papi? It's your boy Grit Moto and I am back officially. And I know it's been a while since I've actually created an actual video. Medyo nagpahinga lang tayo ng bahagya because as what other people say, people need some time for themselves, some time to think, and some time to ponder, whatever that is. Alright, so let's not talk about that because today what we're going to talk about is about riding gears. And as a lot of people say, we dress for the slide, not for the ride. Well, it's a plus if you look good on, rider gears, unlike me. I know, you don't have to say it. Matagal ko na tinitignan tong product na to. It's been a while since I saw them in the market. And actually, kinonta ko na rin sila before. I was asking about a couple of stuffs, about their gears, about how much are them. And then, it appears that a lot of people are already using this brand para sa riding gears. They have a couple of riding gears that are very interesting na would make me think that, why? I mean, should I try that? But what really interests me the most is riding pants. Kasi ako, malapad yung hita ko. Yung hita ko is pang piyesta. Na pag inulam mo, aabot ng isang buwan. So most of the riding jeans that I buy, most of the time, after a couple of months, napupunit na sila in between. Dito sa may somewhere. Yeah, so napupunitan ako lagi ng pantalon. And this one, actually, I found this on the market maybe around the first or second quarter of the year. And then it got me thinking that this product looks quite interesting and a lot of people are actually using it. So I went to Imprint Customs Cafe a couple of weeks back and I saw this product and I told myself that if I'm not gonna buy today, when? So what I got is a riding jeans from Grit. Ano, stretchable ba?
Stretchable.
So, Grit, I have not researched that much yet. I mean, to provide history and whatnot. But if you buy a riding jeans, this is what you will get. So, it's in a pouch. Nandito na yung knee guard mo. And then, also, you will receive the riding jeans. So, the riding jeans is actually... the material is quite comfortable. It's stretchy. You know what I mean? That's what you want. Especially kung ikay binayaan ng malapad na hita katulad ko. You want something stretchy. And the material is actually no joke. Yeah, so as you can see on the camera. I think, anti-laceration to. So pag nag-slide ka, you won't get bruised or hindi matotosino yung kita mo or whatnot, that's the main purpose of riding jeans. And of course we're gonna pair it with the knee guard to make sure na ang knees natin is well secured if in any case you are involved on a crash or you slide or whatnot. I mean, who knows, diba? So that's why it's better to be safe than sorry, right? I think this is a good buy. And just so you know, guys, this is only 2,000 pesos. 2,000 pesos for this kind of, quality. It's really quality. Mas quality pa to sa ex ko. Alright guys, so ito na yung tsura niya ng nakasuot na. Alright. So syempre, in every product review, there should be an actual test. And today, sakto pupunta ako ng Motostrada and we'll put that to the test. But, I'll be honest with you, so far, it's pretty comfy. Props, Grit.